Welcome to JH. Midmera calls itself a boutique online store, which is usually just fancy marketing speak for we bought a pre-made website template. They claim to offer a carefully chosen collection of products, like comfy zip-up bras, at what they call best value pricing. It sounds lovely in theory, but in the world of online shopping, best value is often code for you get what you pay for, and usually, you're paying for disappointment. Let's dive in and see if this store is actually legit or just another digital mirage. The first red flag popped up the moment we checked their business information. The address they provide doesn't lead to a professional office or a warehouse. Instead, it points straight to a residential house. Nothing inspires consumer confidence quite like imagining your boutique order being packed in someone's garage next to a pile of old lawn equipment. If a company can't even provide a real business address, it definitely raises some uncomfortable questions about their transparency and whether they'll still exist by the time your package is supposed to arrive. Next, we took a closer look at those polished product images. They look professional enough, but a quick reverse image search revealed that these photos were actually shamelessly copied from other websites. It seems their carefully chosen collection was actually just carefully right-clicked and saved from someone else's hard work. This is a massive warning sign because it makes you wonder if they even have the physical product in stock, or if they're just hoping you won't notice the difference between the photo and the mystery item that eventually shows up. The marketing tactics here are also incredibly aggressive, featuring those flashy 70% off banners and high-pressure countdowns. While everyone loves a bargain, these gimmicks feel more like a desperate plea for your credit card details than a genuine sale. To make matters worse, there is absolutely no information about the people behind the brand. No names, no faces, and no company history. It's essentially a ghost ship of a website, and honestly, I've seen more transparency in a brick wall. Finally, we have to talk about the reviews. On their own site, Midmera proudly displays a near-perfect 4.9-star rating with over 400 glowing testimonials. However, when we checked independent platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit, we found absolutely nothing. It's truly a statistical miracle that 400 people had a perfect experience, yet not a single one of them felt like mentioning it anywhere else on the entire internet. When you add up the fake address, stolen photos, anonymous owners, and phantom reviews, you don't just have a red flag, you have a whole parade of them. In conclusion, Midmera doesn't exactly scream reliability or trust. If you're thinking about shopping there, you might want to keep your wallet closed and look elsewhere unless you enjoy gambling with your money. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your favorite shopaholic, and subscribe for more scam checks and shopping tips. See you in the next one.